Hi everybody, I thought today that we could do a science experiment together, and I thought about showing you guys how to make fireworks in a jar. So to make fireworks in a jar, you need three things. You need oil, you'll need a jar with water filled about 3/4 of the way full, and you'll need food coloring. So the first thing you do is fill this jar up 3/4 of the way. I put like a lukewarm water in it. So we're going to set that aside, and in another little bowl, we're going to measure out 4 tablespoons of oil and place into a smaller bowl. So I hope you guys will help me count. 1, 2, 3, good counting guys, 4. So 4 tablespoons of oil. Excuse me. Put the lid back on this so it doesn't spill in my cupboard. Then for our food coloring, we're going to drop 5 drops of food coloring down into our jar of oil. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. I hope you counted with me, everybody. 5 drops. 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm going to try to hold this up here so you can see what it looks like in the jar. Can you see the little drops down in there? Okay, so if you want to, when you do this, you could take your spoon, kind of just give your drops a little bit of a stir. Now it won't mix the colors, it just breaks them up a little bit. Okay, so what we're going to do now is take our jar with oil and the food coloring drops, and we're going to slowly drop it down into our bottle of warm water. Swish it around so they all go down in. And let's watch and see what happens. Do you guys think we'll get fireworks? Oh, I see some going down in. I hope you guys can see that. Hold this paper up here. Can you see that? Ta-da! Isn't that awesome? How cool is that, boys and girls? Look at all those colors. Ta-da! So that was our science experiment today. Fireworks in a jar. Bye guys.